Today, we're going to talk about some of your biggest financial mistakes. But before we get into that, I'm going to share a little story with you about the goose that laid a golden egg. So there once was a poor farmer, and he went to the market and purchased a goose. And on his way home from the market with the goose, he said, "I can eat an egg every day." And the next morning, he went to go check on the goose. And lo and behold, he saw a shiny yellow egg, and it was a golden egg. So he was excited. He had never seen anything like it before. So he sold that for a profit. And the goose continued to lay a golden egg day after day after day. And that poor farmer became rich, but he became impatient and he wanted all of the eggs at one time. He said to himself, "Why do I have to wait each day to get one egg? Why can't I just have them all at once?" So he went to the goose and opened up the stomach and found out that there was absolutely nothing inside. And at that point, he was ashamed of his actions. He regretted doing it in the first place because now the goose was dead and his wealth dwindled as a result of that. So he became poor again. This story highlights the importance of delayed gratification. Instead of killing the goose, he could have used the capital that he was receiving from the eggs that the goose was already producing to purchase another goose and another goose and another goose, so that he would have been able to generate more eggs and sell those for a profit. And even if they weren't golden eggs, it would still be more product that would generate more revenue, rather than trying to be greedy and getting all of the golden eggs out of one goose. And I know that some of you have a similar mindset. Rather than acquiring a cash cow, you want that cash now. And that's exactly why I want to talk to you about some of the biggest financial mistakes that you might be making. First and foremost, not investing while you're young. We all have the same amount of time in a day, but the way that we use it determines where we are going, how fast we will get there, and what result we'll have once we reach. The fact that a lot of you guys spend your youth partying, traveling, and doing things that do not benefit you or increase your wealth puts you in a position where you're scrambling to find a solution at the later stages of your life. Because it's not about what you make, it's about what you keep. In addition to that, fearing failure. Fear is just false evidence appearing real. And you have to fail in order to prevail. So if you fear failure, then you're not allowing yourself to learn from your mistakes, because there's no losses, there's only lessons. And each lesson can become a blessing if you learn from that lesson and you pivot so that each lesson that you learn from each failure contributes to your success. The only way that your failure doesn't lead to you prevailing is if you quit. So you are the determining factor. If you give up, that's the only way that you will actually fail. And also being risk averse. Something that I realized is that a lot of older people that aren't very affluent are very fearful. They are scared to do a lot of things. And that's because they didn't exercise that muscle or take that risk when they were younger. Like, I'm someone that has gone skydiving, and there's so many people that would say, "Oh no, I'm not gonna jump out of a plane. That's crazy, this, that, and the third." But in actuality, if you try it out, it's one of the most amazing things that you would ever do in your life. But not only that, because that's entertainment. That's just something that you do for fun, for pleasure, for excitement. But taking risks when it comes to investing, like investing in this property, the more that I do, the more I learn. And even though I'm making mistakes through the process, I learn from each and every mistake. And there's a reason why they say experience is the best teacher, because once I learn from that mistake, it's going to be ingrained in my mind, because if there's a similar situation in the future, I now have an experience to reflect on, and I know what I am preventing from happening by doing it the correct way. That's why it's best to take risks while you're young, because you gotta take risks. It's the only way to make it out this. Also, saving money in a bank account. The average rate of inflation from 1914 to 2026 is 3.29%. And when you save money in a bank account, they give you an APY of 0.1%. So if your money is being stored in a bank account that's only giving you 0.1%, you are losing value every year. And ever since the pandemic, I'm sure you've seen how much the prices of goods and services have been fluctuating astronomically. And that's why they say savers are losers, because if you're not storing your funds in an account or an asset that is paying you at a rate that beats inflation, then your dollar isn't working for you, it's working against you. And in addition to that, not investing in yourself. What you think about, you bring about. And if you don't have the proper information in your brain, then you're going to go down the wrong lane, because you are not putting yourself on a path to prosper simply because of your lack of knowledge. And the way that you can gain that knowledge is by educating yourself through reading books, listening to podcasts, and most importantly, gaining a mentor. If there's someone that is where you would want to be, you should figure out how you can help them move forward, what problems they have that you can solve. That way they can become your mentor and you can learn how they got to where they are, and that will prevent you from making mistakes that they made because they understand what they did wrong. And by you helping them, they will be more willing to help you get to where you want to go. And to be honest, that's all you need to know. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell so that you're notified every time I make a new post. Until next time.